Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. So finally Nifty reversed from near its base support that 14,800 and closed near 15,000. So for now above 15,000 it will try for 15,250 and 15,450 with support of 15,000. Otherwise below 14,800 it will move for 14,400 for reverse again. Let's come to Nifty. For Nifty, they have a crucial resistance that 15,065 for uptrend till 15,250. For Nifty, 14,800 to 14,600 is crucial support for downtrend till 14,000. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 35,500. So above 35,500, it will try for further up move till 37,500. Otherwise, below 34,800 it will reverse from 33,500 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. For Bank Nifty, 35,500 is strong resistance for further up move. Above 35,500, next resistance is 37,500. Crucial support for Bank Nifty that 34,500 to 800. Below 34,500, most likely it will try to reverse from 33,500. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 15,265. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's are 15,089 and 15,186. There have a crucial support for Nifty future also that 14,729. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's are 14,900 and 14,800. There have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also that 37,000. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's are 36,000 and 36,486. There have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also that 34,189. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's are 34,929 and 34,565. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for some stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. HDFC Life, that LTP is 720. Its upper range is 770 and lower range is 720. So if it sustains above its midpoint that 725 with increases volume, then most likely it will try for its upper range or upper resistance or higher resistance that 770. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint that 725 with increases volume, then most likely it will try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support that 720. And when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. HDFC Life, that LTP is 720. HDFC Life looks very good for short term to me. Adani Transmission, that LTP is 781. Tata Steel, that LTP is 735. Motherson Sumi, that LTP is 232. Indigo, that LTP is 1691. Tata Consumer, that LTP is 632. Lupin, that LTP is 1054. Tata Power, that LTP is 100. MFSL, that LTP is 892. PI Industry, that LTP is 2275. MGL, that LTP is 1184. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. HDFC Life, Lupin and Tata Power looks very attractive for me for short term. You can note down also these stocks in your daily watch list. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. Or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you viewer. Thank you very much.